Hi, my name is Roland. I'm a local teacher here in Alachua County. I teach 7th grade language arts at Fort Clark Middle School. As a teacher, I thought it'd be good to share some teacher tips with you all, as we've all recently become newly employed homeschool teachers. So here's my first and foremost tip, is to try to keep a strict schedule. So obviously we all crave routines, especially as children. It helps keep us on task and keep us focused. In school, the kids, at middle school at least, they have 50-minute blocks of education and then 5-minute transitions and of course lunch too. Those, what you often hear as brain breaks, really help the kids to kind of take a break mentally and physically, and then to come back and refocus to achieve a greater sense of retention in their classes. So at home, it'd be great to have an hour or so of educational time, doing some work, using their brain in some way, and then have a little break, maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes, where kids can get up and get active, get the blood flow, which helps, getting the brain to do its job. So that's my teacher tip for you. Hopefully you can use it at home and be getting smarter as we are staying home. So thanks for watching.